Welcome back to Gold Auto World, where speed meets style and legends are reborn. Today we're diving into something that feels like a perfect blend of heritage and future muscle, the 2027 Ford Mustang GT 390. This isn't just a car, it's a statement, a roar, and a bold reminder that American muscle is far from fading away. The first thing that hits you about the 2027 Mustang GT 390 is its aggressive yet refined design. Ford has taken the iconic Mustang silhouette and sharpened every edge. The front fascia looks meaner than ever, with a wider grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that hints at the power lurking underneath. The body lines are cleaner but more muscular, giving it a stance that feels planted even when it's standing still. It's the kind of car that demands attention without even trying. Step inside and you'll notice how Ford has embraced modern technology without losing that classic Mustang soul. The cabin is driver-focused, with a fully digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment display that seamlessly integrates with your smartphone. Premium materials wrap around you, leather, brushed aluminum, and soft-touch surfaces, making it feel both sporty and luxurious. The seating is designed to keep you locked in during high-speed runs while still being comfortable enough for daily driving. Now let's talk about what really matters, the performance. The 2027 Mustang GT 390 is rumored to carry a naturally aspirated V8 engine, staying true to Mustang tradition while many competitors move toward downsized or electric powertrains. This beast is expected to produce around 500 horsepower, delivering that raw, unfiltered driving experience enthusiasts crave. The sound alone is enough to send chills down your spine, a deep, throaty roar that reminds you why V8 engines are so beloved. Ford is also expected to offer multiple driving modes, allowing you to switch from a smooth, comfortable ride to an aggressive, track-ready setup in seconds. The suspension has been fine-tuned for better handling, and the steering feels more precise, giving you full control whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing limits on a racetrack. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2027 Mustang GT 390 is how it balances old-school muscle with modern innovation. While it keeps the V8 alive, it also incorporates advanced driver assistance systems, improved aerodynamics, and possibly even mild hybrid technology to boost efficiency without sacrificing performance. It's clear that Ford is not just looking back at its heritage, but also pushing forward into the future. Safety has also seen a major upgrade. Expect features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and advanced braking systems that make the car not only fast but also smart. This ensures that whether you're an experienced driver or someone new to performance cars, you can enjoy the Mustang with confidence. Another detail worth mentioning is customization. Ford understands that Mustang owners love to make their cars unique, so the 2027 GT 390 is likely to come with a wide range of options. From exterior colors and stripe packages to performance upgrades and interior trims. This allows each owner to create a Mustang that truly reflects their personality. On the road, the Mustang GT 390 is expected to deliver a thrilling experience. Acceleration will be quick and responsive, with power delivered smoothly across the rev range. The rear-wheel drive setup ensures that classic Mustang feel, while improved traction control helps keep everything in check. Whether you're launching from a stoplight or carving through winding roads, this car promises excitement at every turn. Fuel efficiency might not be its strongest point, but that's not what this car is about. The Mustang GT 390 is built for those who value performance, sound, and driving pleasure above all else. It's a car that connects you to the road in a way few modern vehicles can. As we look ahead to its release, the 2027 Ford Mustang GT 390 stands as a symbol of what muscle cars can be in a rapidly changing automotive world. It proves that even as technology evolves, there's still a place for raw power and emotional driving experiences. So, what do you think about the 2027 Mustang GT 390? Is it the perfect mix of classic muscle and modern innovation? Or do you think Ford should go even further into the future? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gold Auto World for more exciting automotive content. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion alive.